Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some honey stew salmon. Yes. So in my bowl right here I've got 5 salmon, okay, and this is salmon fillet. Yes, so these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. But if you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever seasoning you have at home, okay? Yes. So firstly, I'm just gonna add some olive oil to my salmon. So when I'm seasoning, guys, the seasoning is all stick on it. Yes. Then I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. My salmon is already clean. I wash it with some lemon. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that seasoning on my salmon like so. I'm telling you, this recipe is gonna be so good. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. It's gonna full of so much flavor. Then I'm just gonna take my hand and just pat it, okay? Just pat the seasoning in. And I'm just gonna flip it over. And you just want to continue with the same process. Yes. I'm just gonna use my remaining season for my gravy, so I'm not gonna use all of it. Just be careful with the salmon so it doesn't break. So that's nicely done. You can always leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 20 minutes or so. So that's done. Perfect. So this is all my herbs. Here I have some sweet pepper, otherwise known as bell peppers, and I'm using half, okay? So as you can see, I'm using all the colors, okay? So this is how I cut it, like so. I also have 1 onion that I cut, some ginger, just a small amount of ginger, and some garlic, 3 cloves of garlic that I finely chopped, and just a small amount of fresh thyme. Yes, look at all this color, guys. It looks so good. So I'm just gonna add 1/4 cup of honey to my salmon, and I'm also gonna add some ketchup, and this is 3 spoons of ketchup, okay? Yes. So here I have my pot on my stove, guys, and to my pot I add at least 3 spoonful of olive oil, okay? You can always add some vegetable oil. So now to my pot I'm just gonna add my garlic. And you're just gonna allow it to saute, guys, just for a couple of seconds, okay? So now that I had my garlic, now I'm gonna add my salmon, like so. And you're just gonna leave it, guys, just for at least 2 minutes or so, okay? Yes. Now I'm just gonna add my honey, okay? You're just gonna add it all like so. Make sure your stove is on a medium heat. Don't turn up your stove too high, okay? So after I add my honey, I'm just gonna add at least 2 spoonfuls of my teriyaki sauce. You can always use some dark soya sauce. That will go perfectly also. Then I'm gonna add my ginger, my onions, I'm telling you guys, it looks amazing. This looks super, super delicious. I'm telling you. Just gonna pour some of that sauce on your salmon like so. And you're just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 3 minutes, okay? Just for now. So after 3 minutes, guys, this is what it looks like. And I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. And it smells so good. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add some water to the same bowl that I used to season my salmon. I'm just gonna add at least 1/4 cup of water, or at least 1/2 cup. Yeah, I'll just say 1/2 cup because you don't need a lot. Just add it to the same bowl like so. Add my ketchup, my remaining seasoning that's left. I'm gonna add some of my dark soya sauce, at least 3 spoons. Then I'm gonna add all my bell pepper and sweet pepper, okay? That look amazing, guys. And I'm also gonna add my fresh thyme. And I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 10 minutes or so, okay? Just make sure your stove is not turned up too high. Yes. I'm gonna also add half of lemon. So I'm just gonna squeeze the lemon juice on my salmon like so. It's just gonna give it a freshness, guys, and just a bit of tanniness, you know, sourish, yeah, should I say. There you have it, guys. Now I'm just gonna leave it for 8 minutes and it is ready. Just cover my pot. So it is finally finished, guys, and I'm telling you, just look at it. It's looking absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness, this is like food prawn. Do you see the sauce? so nice, so thick. What you can do, guys, if it need any more ketchup, you can always add just a bit more ketchup to it, okay? Or even some more honey. It all depends how rich you want it to be. But this is so perfect, I'm telling you. This is like food prawn. I'm just gonna finish it off with some spring onions, otherwise as scallions. Do you see that, guys? This salmon is perfectly cooked. Perfect. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Please, guys, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. I worked so hard, guys, just to get this video out for you guys. So please support my channel. And if you have been supporting my channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. So I'm just gonna turn my stove off. This is perfectly done. Perfect. So I'm just plating up my salmon, and I'm telling you, it's looking super, super delicious. I'm just gonna serve it, guys, with some plain rice on the side. You can serve it with whatever you prefer, but trust me, it's gonna be so, 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 so good with rice. This dish is perfectly for rice, yes. Just gonna pour all that sauce, that delicious, tasty sauce, all over on your salmon. Oh my goodness, look at that. With a sweet pepper. I'm just wiping it a bit. Then I'm just gonna add some parsley on top. Like so. Look at that. So, so, so good. Just gonna give you guys an up close look and how delicious it look. You see that, guys? You want some? I have to get my fork first. Lord, thank you so much for this food. Bless it, God. I'm just gonna taste some for you guys. Tell you how it tastes. Oh my goodness, guys, honestly, this dish is really, really good. The flavor, the flavor is everything. I'm telling you, I've give this recipe 10 out of 10 because trust me, it is so good. Better than any restaurant. Guys, cook it for your family. Trust me, them are gonna love it. Cook it for your families, for your friends, for everyone. Because trust me, this recipe is a winning recipe. And if you do try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.